Cultural events enrich the lives of the community. For the past 32 years, Thunderbird artists have been providing and growing premier high-quality festivals.
We have 7 festivals, and then there's the Arizona Fine Art Expo. So there's 8 events.
To produce a high-quality fine art festival, Thunderbird artists use a rigorous jury process that selects only the best of the best.
I measure success differently than most people because I actually run the business with my heart as well as my daughter. I'm about the quality. We actually get a lot of artists that are from out of state that have met patrons that say, oh, you should be in Thunderbird Artists. They come from all over, even internationally.
At the festivals, it is important to touch the human senses. Patrons love watching the artists work in studios. They enjoy listening to up-and-coming musicians and tasting wonderful wines and fine food. Also at the festivals, patrons will find 1 or 2 charities and their volunteers. 25% of gross wine ticket and admission ticket sales go to the charities.
We're very involved in the different communities by way of working with the charities. And then, of course, I founded the veteran charity American Healing Arts Foundation.
Art is proven to be a great form of therapy and healing. Besides having classes for veterans throughout the year, the classes are also held at the Fine Art Expo.
Our awards are not because of Thunderbird artists, it's because of the chambers, it's because of their volunteers and all of those that work with us.
Congratulations, Thunderbird artists.